If I wanted to retire well in 2025, here's exactly what I'd do. And no, it's not just maxing out your 401k or hoping Social Security covers the gap. With the retirement landscape shifting fast due to inflation, market volatility, and recent tax code updates, the old rules just don't cut it anymore. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 smart moves I would make right now to retire comfortably in 2025 and avoid the costly mistakes that delay retirement by years. So if you're within 5 years of retirement or just starting to plan, this could be the roadmap you need. Stick around, because step 3 could save you over $100,000 in unnecessary taxes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get ruthlessly clear on your spending. The biggest myth in retirement planning? That your expenses magically shrink. They don't. They shift. Travel, healthcare, and lifestyle spending often rise. Before I made any retirement moves, I'd track 3 months of real spending at no guesses. I'd use a tool like Monarch or YNAB to get clarity. Because if you don't know what you spend, you don't know what you need to retire. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt immediately. Going into retirement with credit card debt or personal loans is like trying to run a marathon in a weighted vest. Every dollar going to interest is a dollar not working for you. I'd do a 12-month debt elimination sprint. Snowball method, avalanche method, pick one, stick to it, and knock it out. If you've got a mortgage under 4%, fine, keep it. Everything else, eliminate it. Step 3. Build a tax strategy, not just a savings plan. This is where most people lose 6 figures by ignoring tax planning. In 2025, Roth conversions are still a powerful tool, especially before RMDs kick in at 73. If I were retiring soon, I'd map out a 5-year Roth conversion plan, taking advantage of today's historically low tax rates. I'd also explore the Mega Backdoor Roth if my employer offers it, potentially contributing over $70,000 annually to a Roth bucket. Why? Because tax-free growth in retirement beats tax deferral every time, especially if future tax rates increase. Step 4. Avoid getting too conservative. Too early. The instinct to protect what you've built is natural, but shifting too heavily into cash or bonds too soon can erode your returns over time. If I were retiring in 2025, I'd keep at least 60% of my portfolio in growth assets, adjusted to my risk profile, to hedge against inflation and longevity risk. Tools like a glide path strategy can help adjust risk gradually, not abruptly. Step 5. Get a written retirement income plan. Most people retire with accounts, not a plan. I'd build a retirement roadmap that includes when to claim Social Security, how to draw down assets tax efficiently, and how to handle healthcare costs. DIYers can use tools like New Retirement or Bolden, but I'd strongly consider working with a fiduciary CFP, not a commission-based rep pushing annuities. Retiring well in 2025 isn't about luck or timing. It's about strategy, discipline, and informed decisions. Don't just hope it works out. Build a plan that makes it work. If this helped clarify your next steps, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Subscribe for more no-nonsense financial strategies and drop a comment below with your biggest retirement concern. I read everyone. Thanks for watching. Now go build the retirement you deserve.